experience, what are the key foundations that need to be in place before scaling new technology?
I like to look at it as tech, process, and people as three different parts that needs to be in place. So for tech, it's a lot about data availability, quality, all the IT, OT foundations, Wi-Fi, anything that we might need to scale a technology that might work in one place but not in another place. People, roles and responsibility, any type of project management setup, whatever it is. A subject matter expert, probably at the sites, is absolutely crucial to have everywhere before you scale. Support functions, who needs to be there, who needs to do what, etc. But basically that people setup. And for processes, of course, change management is crucial when it comes to new technology and scale. Governance, escalation routes, who's managing what, basically. So those three sort of factors needs to be in place before scaling.
What are the biggest mistakes that manufacturers usually make when moving from a pilot project to a large-scale implementation? Obviously, they might have the key foundations, but I'm sure challenges come up along the way.
So basically, I would say not having clear support, leadership, accountability, for example, funding models, change management work streams, basically not having the tech people and processes, which to me is the support, leadership, and accountability in place before scaling. It becomes very, very slow, and it's very difficult to get over that pilot stage and actually into a fast moving scale, because usually you hope that the pilot takes maybe 6 months to a year, but then when you scale, it's supposed to go faster, and these things needs to be in place before that.
And I know you mentioned as one of the key foundations just there is people. What role do people and culture play in making a pilot project successful at scale?
So there needs to be a pull. I think in an interest in the technology, that's very clear. There needs to be clear success criteria from the people being part of the pilot as well. What is success? Because success looks very different to different people depending on who you ask. There needs to be some plan on retaining the knowledge in the factories and sharing with other factories before scaling. So, there could be a choice of having everything with the vendor, but usually that's not the successful route. There needs to be some sort of knowledge staying. And then also having people understand that you need to work with the machines and not against it. So there's a new ways of working that's always difficult for everybody, but especially with things like AI, feedback loops are crucial for the machines to actually get into the stage that they are smart enough to do things that humans can't do.
As a roundtable facilitator at this year's Manufacturing Leaders Summit, what are you most looking forward to about the event?
Well, I love to meet other people from manufacturing. I have my own struggles from my experience from the companies I've worked at, and I think it's fascinating to see if others are feeling the same thing, and how we can use our common experiences and knowledge to really become better at what we do, all of us, and think outside the box.